So Joseph might be dead.
Yeah.
And we fell into the
World
floor.
subway.
Joseph, you've got to be alive.
I don't think so, dude. Alright, let's turn this shit on and look behind us.
Nope.
Nope, just a wall. Okay.
Caution.
Can't go down that way. Guess the middle one it is then. Why am I sneaking? There's no need for it.
End of chapter.
Yeah. It's a red light. Trust red lights.
Red, red light.
Oh. Open up all of these.
You don't have the key.
Okay. Can I go to the ATM?
No.
Damn it.
fucking power.
Well, then how is this red light on?
It's an emergency light. Emergency lights are supposed to come on when there's no power.
It's Roxanne's room. It's around here.
Roxanne!
You don't have to put out a red light.
Oh, I was not expecting this to open, actually.
Oh.
Something was yanked through that. Or barfed out.
Oh. Oh. Fuck you.
Oh, you're just gonna sneak everywhere.
I'm fucking posted.
Looked a lot like a lot more parts than one.
Yeah. Fuck you.
And you stand up to open shelves. It's just how it is. You crazy. You crazy.
Okay.
Hey. We found it.
There's an arm.
That's fine.
Give me this.
Much. Nothing.
Oh. Take that brain juice. Yummy.
I think that's it.
Alright. Let's get the fuck out of
I
here.
don't want to sneak.
Yep. Fuck you, bomb. Probably be coming back over through here.
I'll become Buck.
Alright, cool.
Hooray! Oh, there you go. Save point.
Go to the bathroom.
Oh, there's a save point right there.
Yeah, there's stuff to break.
I
Okay,
think,
yeah,
I think
well-
we have keys.
We do. We have two, I think. Yeah, we'll go to the girl first. Get that shit up. Alright, let's see what has going on.
Ah,
Mm-hmm.
my madness. So she had gone to find out what happened to their kid,
Mm-hmm.
and found out what happened to their kid, and then the person that most likely killed their kid killed her.
Yes.
Was it Joseph? Was it Kidman?
Maybe kid. I don't like her right now.
Wee.
Don't you think you should use your brain now?
I mean, I could,
Why, bitch?
but I got keys.
Don't tell me what to do.
I want to go through this way.
She's going the long way too.
Open that door up.
There we go.
Thank you. Excuse me. I want to check on this room real quick. Ah. You know, we didn't miss too many, I guess.
Yeah. I found out what it unlocks. It's like a alternate pistol and maybe a sniper rifle for New Game Plus mode.
Oh, okay. Well, so nothing really. Oh ho! Thank you. More. Yeah.
You need to turn away to open it to get it.
Oh, there we are. Oh, thank you.
Kind of wish that was pistols.
Kind of, yeah.
Well, I guess we can upgrade our shotgun ammo.
Yeah, we could if we really wanted to. There. I might as well just equip it.
You went way too far.
I did.
For no reason.
Sorry.
I hate that it zooms in so fucking far.
Open. Doesn't open.
Doesn't open. You probably clicking on it wrong.
I probably was. Oh. Bottle. Wonder what the paper says.
Probably something about a serial killer.
Office link for
Nope.
intelligent burn.
It's usually some sort of serial killer or arson, it seems.
Yeah. A lot to do with fire. Oh.
Ivan Diaz. Awesome. Requiesce in pace.
Doo-doo-doo. Let's sit in this super cool chair. It's made by Umbrella, I think. Oop. Okay. Weapon. Shotgun. Clip capacity.
It's either that or it's overall carrying capacity.
We could do that and just fucking
Yeah,
be...
just fucking do it.
Yeah.
Because then we got all those bullets now.
I don't think we can get anything else, really.
We're fine for now.
Actually, let me check something quick. Oh, no. What about stock for a Magnum? No. Okay. I can carry more grenades.
Hooray!
Alright. Ow.
Oh, my brain can hold more shotgun ammo now.
Yeah, that's true. Open that shit up. Give me that shit.
There we go.
Thank you, Morg. Go save.
Let's save and get the crap out of here.
Hey, how's it going? Just gonna do your nails. Saving. Now that we got the shotgun.
Bams.
All will be
Back to the subway.
Yep. Okay. Let's go check out over here. Oh my god.
Yeah, probably not a good idea to...
Oh,
What the fuck was that?
something shooting shit.
Someone's in there. You could probably shoot the bomb and set them all off.
Oh god. Oh, I see.
Yeah, just shooting bombs everywhere.
So I just shoot the bombs?
Yeah, why not?
Take a little bit of step back. There you go. Oh shit.
There we go.
I don't trust you.
You don't need to trust them. You just trust the ragdoll physics.
I don't even that. Oh god.
Back
You
up to
just-
that side and just kind of shoot them.
Can I not?
No! Those are proximity mines, man.
Okay. Well,
Those are the bombs that you shoot.
okay. Feeling though they're gonna like break the goo.
That makes no sense.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Bullets all used. That was a good amount, actually, not bad. What we got here? Some matches. Okay. Can I open
Alright, let's get out.
Alright, cool. Who's that old Dickens down there? He's gonna probably be alive.
Probably. You can get up to him and set him on fire. He won't be alive no more.
Oh.
That's not Ruvik.
Go away, not Ruvik.
He's going away. Yep.
Hope I can get to him. Looks like that guy's gonna bother like.
Oh, you missed it. You missed it. I think you got him. He's just like, what are you? Ah!
Oh my god!
There you go. Go pick up his juice.
Yummy.
So yeah, there we go.
That's how you do it.
Not Ruvik down again.
Gotta hate not Ruvik. Alright, cool.
Now maybe we'll get him some original bosses again.
This guy seems kind of fishy.
Looks like a human to me.
It doesn't. He's got glowy eyes.
Yeah? You got a problem with glowy eyes?
A little bit.
Maybe.
He's got harpoons in him. Bitch. Oh. Pardon me, sir. Ooh, the big boot. Go.
No. You saw through my clever ruse of being skewered on a wall.
Can I not just open this?
Boom.
Cool.
Just on the other side.
Yeah.
The pig.
That's the
The
scariest movie I've ever
pig.
seen in my life. The pig and the white fog. Oh, look. What do you think the big monstrosity thing will come back?
No, we killed that thing.
That's what we said about a lot of things.
And bosses don't repeat themselves in this game.
They don't?
No,
Oh,
it's
okay.
very
That's-
straightforward.
That's a relief.
No, they're not Ruvik.
Oh, yeah. Not
Anything,
Ruvik, don't
anything
see me.
in the car next to you?
Probably. But I'm afraid of not Ruvik. He has a one-hit kill.
Yeah,
That dude has a Uzi?
maybe.
Yeah. And there's hanging dudes.
If you get him probably once or twice with the Magnum, he should be gone.
Oh, looks like a sniper rifle.
Or you can use a sniper rifle.
Oh my god. Can I?
Mm-hmm.
Is that a bomb?
Maybe.
Alright. The question is, though, yeah, I want to go for the not Ruvik.
No, you want to you want to shoot other people so that he blood geyser explosions at you. I want to shoot him again
Oh, fuck.
before he comes at you.
He's gonna come at me.
Well, then fucking rush him and then set him on fire. Fuck you, not Ruvik. What if that was not Ruvik? Did I just blow your mind?
A little bit.
Because he didn't drop any brain juice.
Yeah. It was just his shadow clone.
Shadow
Okay,
counter.
so that is connected to that BAM. It looks like. Doesn't it?
I don't know.
These guys are probably sleeping. Yeah, fuck it. Let's just blow these up. They don't blow up. Okay. Aha! I knew it. Oh.
Oh, he did drop brain juice.
You guys don't see anything. Hey guys.
Don't mind me. I want to get that dude with the gun.
Oh, where is he?
He's kind of fucking me up.
I don't see him.
It's probably because he's a ways away shooting at you.
Oh, it's this guy.
There's another one as well.
Yeah.
I want to heal.
I can. Cool.
Yeah, he's
Oh,
in
I
the
see him. Yeah.
car there.
I don't know.
Always the punching. Don't punch! Punching is the worst thing you could possibly do in this game. He dropped his gun, so he probably did.
Oh. Cool. Would have been good to know.
Oh, there was really no trial or error. You just shot the body.
Yeah. Okay. So, I guess
You can
I'll
just...
get out the sniper rifle and shoot him.
You still have ammo?
Yeah, I've got like 2 shots.
Well, then shoot him.
Just gotta get it.
There you go. Hey, what you guys doing over here?
Sure hope nothing happens to my legs. One of my greatest fears is being a paraplegic.
Oh, I'm breaking the laws of physics. Blah, blah. He's still alive. There he goes. That took him a while to die.
That did.
Hey.
Oh. Can burn people through the water.
Sure, yeah, whatever.
Oh. Thank you. I'll use one of those now.
Yeah.
Just why not? Oh, it's so good.
Ah, you gotta sneak up to it. I think you just aggro him more, maybe.
No. Fine. I killed them all.
Alright.
Oh, more bullets. That's good. Let's check this water for anything else. Oh. That's a BAM.
That's a BAM.
Yeah, fuck that.
No reason.
Yeah.
You don't need to sneak anymore.
Whoop-a. Okay. There's a train. There's some matches. That's good. Did you see anything else?
No.
No? Oh. No, that's the top. Oh, wait. Brain juice. Oop. Anything else? Nope, just some alcohol bottles. Alright, cool. This guy drop anything? Yes, he did. Thank you. Seats?
I mean, it's like they want us to heal or something.
Not gonna happen. Oh, look at that bear trap.
I was wondering if you were actually going to notice it this time.
Oh man, look at all the parts I have. Oh god.
Slowly built them up.
Oh god.
Hey, fatty.
No, 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 no. Listen, let's talk about this.
What are you doing?
We can be friends, right? What?
Job.
Oh, he slipped.
I'm good.
There we go.
Poof.
That guy...
He's just chilling.
Yeah, he's just chilling. He's gonna probably see me in a second.
I'm looking forward to this cold going away.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Not feeling well?
it's just been a cold for a while, so.
I haven't noticed. Oh. There you go.
Man, you're all noticing stuff. Why? Why? Why do you always fucking punch? It's worthless.
There we go. He's dead. I don't know. It's just kind of... I like to punch things.
Every fucking time you punch, you just get hit for more damage.
It's not a big deal. It's fine.
Shoot that.
Try. Hope it killed something.
There was a dude in there.
Maybe it didn't kill him though.
Still did some damage.
I guess.
I should doze.
It's just Crazy Merle again shooting.
There's nothing that way.
Shooting off his fucking bombs again. Man, these things just are a waste of ammo, though. That's the one thing I don't like about it. I wish I could just pick them up. Then I'd have, like, my own proximity mines.
No. To the left.
Yeah.
To the left.
Oh, thank you. To the left, to the left. See some bullets to your left. Dun. Do 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 do. Do you think Joseph actually came this far, though?
No, but you gotta get the fuck out from the ground.
I guess. Yeah.
What are you gonna do? Stay in the hole?
Yeah. Seems like a safe place to be. Let's see what we've got here.
Gotta be a way to get up there somehow.
Fuck you.
Yeah.
You're gonna walk across that.
Yeah. That seems logical. Okay, I guess I go back. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, another door opened.
I can't. Hey, guy. And the dick works every time. Yeah, he was dead.
That one is. You only have 3 of those left.
Yeah.
Whenever you waste them on ragdolled corpses.
I can never really tell that well. I'm not good at that.
Mostly you just watch them die.
Okay.
And if they fall down like a person would fall down, then they're still alive.
Okay.
If they just fall apart as they go down,
Okay.
then they're just full on dead.
Well, I've got so much healing now. It's ridiculous.
What do you have, 4?
I got like fucking 3.
Nice.
Alright. There's a red thingy. Oh, it's just a... Okay,
Yeah.
cool. There's some cabinets and shit over here.
You might have to burn your way through that.
Some brain juice. Cabinet? Cabinet?
That does not look like anything you could even get in. You gotta burn your way through that. Turn to the right.
Oof.
There you go.
Ugh. This looks like brain.
Who knows what it is?
The claw knows. You hear that?
No.
Oh.
Devil heads. They're back.
The guys that hate themselves.
No, sure. Keep going.
Now it's getting back into the creepy thing.
Yeah.
Oh, look, blood things.
Sure, I get you.
You got something for me back?
No.
No. That guy's hanging. But you know how much I trust these guys.
Yeah, you shoot him.
None.
Oh, he fell.
Shut the light on.
Nope. Why? Always the punching.
Oh,
Whiff. Good. Still up. Still. There he goes, he ragdolled. See how he's just kind of fucking just bleh.
yeah, I was waiting. Then you dropped a bunch of brain juice. God damn this shit. Look at that fucking arc bullshit. Oh. This looks like one big bloody trap land. What's that up there? Just a light?
Yeah, it's just a light.
See, because now I'm conditioned to be like everything red is like, oh god, it's a trap. Which I guess isn't a terrible thing in this game.
Not really.
What is?
He doesn't look alive.
No. Indeed, he doesn't. Should we go back the other way?
No.
Oh. I don't know.
Because this looks forward. You can try and have him. Nope.
I don't know how I'm fucking supposed to do this shit.
Probably walk under it.
I don't think you can. That's not how electricity works.
This is a video game.
Alright, we'll try here. Oh my god.
I'm like, one, this is a fucking video game.
Yeah. Let's pull this lever. Oh, thank you. That's handy.
And two, it's not based in science, it's all projections of people's minds.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Seems like there should be something in this pile, but there isn't. Oh, there's some bullets.
What's the fucking point of putting this...
Oh. Ooh.
What's the point of putting this fucking lever here?
Oh.
Oh, it's stopping the shit from encroaching.
Is it?
Yeah. So you might have to run that one.
Oh, okay. So, get out of sneak.
Now. And then run for it.
Go. Oh, God.
There you go. And then it closes up behind you.
What's this?
It's nothing. Absolutely fucking nothing.
Okay. There's a rat there. I should shoot it.
Yes, let's waste ammo. For nothing. I'm so glad you did that. Good job. Good job.
Okay.
That's forward. I guess.
Should we save?
Yeah,
Why not?
we should probably fucking save.
It's a badge. Alright, let's see what this one says.
Scroll down. I need to look to see who killed my wife and child. Sons of bitches.
Let's go into that dream world. Oh no, we're in our room again.
Is that supposed to be Christopher Walken?
Yes.
That wasn't too good.
I like Christopher Walken impersonations. They're fun. Oh, what are you looking at, girl?
Are you looking at me? Or is
Have
that...
you forgotten something?
Oh, it's you.
That's straight up her.
Who are you? Oh.
Tatiana. Nurse of the Meek. Yeah. Yeah, she's gone.
Missing, but she's...
Missing.
Missing, but it's like we're in some sort of mind. Wait, no, that's just fine.
We should call that number.
That number has too many numbers.
No, it doesn't. Yes, it does. Oh. Girl! Can we upgrade anything? I wonder.
Probably. We got like 10,000.
Yeah, we do. Sit down. What should we upgrade, for fuck's sake? I mean,
We can't. There's nothing to upgrade. We're the perfect being.
I can upgrade melee damage. And syringe recovery. Sprint time? Got light.
Syringe recovery would be pretty decent.
You think so?
Let's look around. But I think that's probably what we'll do.
I think in something either with the pistol or shotgun, then, since we have like max fucking ammo for all of them.
Well,
We can upgrade the clip capacity of the revolver and just have more bullets and never have to worry about bullets ever again.
except for we're pretty low on bullets right now.
Yeah. Shotgun.
We could do that.
A shotgun?
Yeah, clip capacity for a shotgun.
Yeah, that'd be nice actually. 5 to 6. Why not?
Do it.
I have 6,000
Oh, 7,000.
for
The shotgun clip capacity. I'm like, if it jumps up to 6,000, we should be able to do it.
yeah.
All right, let's go.
Ow, my head.
We can reload that shotgun. Whenever. Blams.
Chick.
All right. Let's...
I can't save anymore. Oh, there.
Why are you so terrible at saving?
Come on. That was awesome. No,